See, we have to find the what? Amphoteric oxides. So how many number of amphoteric oxide are present here? Just tell me. So only one. Okay, na? So only one amphoteric oxide is present. That is what? As2 and O3. As2 and O3. This is what? Amphoteric oxide. So remaining are different. See here, NaOH, which type of oxide it is? It is a basic oxide. And NO2, so NO2 is what? NO2 is NO2 and NO, both are what? Neutral oxides. Am I right? Confused, Sadak? So मैं बताता हूं, मैं लिस्ट देता हूं, वो लिस्ट को अच्छी तरह से नोट करो. पहले पहले ये नोट करो, इसके बाद मैं लिस्ट देता हूं, वो नोट करो. तुमको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो what are the acetic acids, what are the amphoteric oxides, what are the basic oxides? If they will ask any question, so you can answer. So I will give a list, just note it. So पहले ये देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है. They are asking amphoteric oxides. They are given some oxides. From these oxides, they are asking how many amphoteric oxides are there. So only amphoteric oxide, one amphoteric oxide is there, that is As2O3. Okay, na? As2O3. So this Na2O is a basic oxide, and N2O and NO both are neutral oxides, and this Cl2O7 is what? It is what? It is acidic oxide. Are you getting my point? Okay. So first of all, note this. So what is the correct option? Only one oxide is there. That means option B is the correct option. Okay, na? Okay. So now I will give example for the what? Acidic basic oxides. Sorry. First of all, I will give example for what? Amphoteric oxides. So amphoteric oxides, thoda, they are very good number. That means highest number. So we have to note, we have to butify. We don't have any option. Okay, we don't have any option. See here, first of all, let me write amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxide. See here, ZNO and SNO4 and BeO and Al2O3. And please, all of you note this. If next time in next session, maybe they will ask what are the acidic oxides, what are the basic oxides, then you will understand now. Okay, then you will understand now. See here, PbO and PbO2. Okay, so these all are what? Amphoteric oxides. See here in Zn, here Zn having here +2 oxidation state, Zn here Sn having what is the oxidation state of Sn here? 4. And SnO2 also present here. Sn having what? +2 oxidation state, and BeO here beryllium having +2 oxidation state. So no need to remember oxidation state, but I am telling, note it. So you just have to remember what are the amphoteric oxides. And aluminum here it is having +3 oxidation state, and PbO, and these both are what? Having +1 oxidation state. So these both are what? So all these are what? Amphoteric. So not completed amphoteric acids. So और भी है, क्या क्या है? Yes, S2O3. That means this one. Okay, now this is amphoteric oxide. Now for example, for what? Amphoteric oxide. Okay, so next Fe2O3 and Sb2O3 and Cr2O3 and V2O5. So NCERT में ये क्वेश्चन तुमको जरूर कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा. इसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट समझो, रिमेंबर दिस ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +5. and next selenium oxide. Okay, and see here PbO4 also, it is what? It is also amphoteric oxide, because this is the combination of what? PbO, 2PbO and PbO2. So here PbO and PbO both are what? Amphoteric oxide. से ये both combine होके हमको ये इसको produce करेगा. इसको क्या हम क्या बोलेगा? रेड लेड बोलेगा, रेड लेड. ओके ना, ये भी क्या है? एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड का एग्जांपल है. ओके ना, दिस इज द मिक्स्ड ऑक्साइड ऑफ व्हाट? एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड. सो नेक्स्ट Pb3O2 है. दिस इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज आल्सो व्हाट? एन एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड. So these are the example for amphoteric oxide. If next time they will ask what are the example for व्हाट एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड, पूरा हमारा पीरियोडिक टेबल में जितने भी एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड है वो सब इधर में लिख दिया. नोट दिस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, आप नोट दिया, एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. मैं एसिडिक और बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स के बारे में भी बोलता हूं. ओके, see here, let me talk about what basic oxides, very important. For basic oxide you can remember very easily. So oxides of, see here, metals, oxides of what, metals. Okay na, so this metals and this oxides of what, non metals, non metals. Okay, so oxides of metals and oxides of non metals. See here, oxides of metals, what, these are basic in nature. Okay, clear. So what are the oxides of metals? And these oxides should be having very less valence shell electrons. So up to 3 valence shell electrons. VSC means valence electrons. So इसके पास 1 or 2 or 3 valence electrons रहता है this metals के पास. Okay ना. So see here, very simple. MgO, we can write MgO and LeO, sorry, CaO, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, and beryllium oxide, and Na2O and K2O. So these all are what, basic oxides. And when we will react this basic oxide with H2O, so it will produce what, it will produce MgO. When react with H2O, it will produce MgOH taken to, and this will produce what, this will produce what, CaOH taken to, and this will produce what, 2 NaOH when it will react with water, and it will produce what, sorry, this will produce Be, beryllium hydroxide, and it will produce BeOH. Write this, BeOH, and this is NaOH, and it will produce what, KOH. So why I am telling means, maybe in next sem they will ask. So in this session they asked about amphoteric oxide. So maybe we have a chance in next sem, in next session they maybe ask what are the basic oxides, maybe what are the acidic oxides. We have a chance now. Okay, so these all are what, these all are, I will change color, then you will understand. These all are basic oxides. Okay, basic oxide. You can also say, you can also see here Na2O. I said what, Na2O, what, Na2O, this, see here, Na2O is there na. So this is what, basic oxide na. So they are given from this list only. Okay na, they are given from this list only. So non-metals means what, how you will remember means, जिसका oxidation state 3 से ऊपर होता है, like 3 से ज्यादा. Okay, oxidation state 3 से ज्यादा होता है, higher oxidation state. Okay, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So उसका ऑक्साइड से ना, वो ऑक्साइड से हमारा acidic oxides like CO2 and SO3 and P2O5 and NO2 and Cl and O3 and next Cl2O and Cl2O7.